Okay. Someone requested this problem as a quick review for solving equations. All right, anytime we solve an equation, the best strategy that we've been telling you is to draw that line from the equal sign down, dividing your problem into two parts. So whatever you do to one part, you have to do to the other part or the other side. Here we have a negative 4x plus 2. We see parentheses, 5x minus 6 equals negative 3x minus 39. We have to deal with the parentheses first. So we have to distribute the 2 across the parentheses. So it's 2 times 5x and 2 times negative 6. So we haven't done anything with negative 4x, so I'm just going to bring that down. I'm just going to bring it down, and we'll deal with that in a minute. Now we have 2 times 5x, so 2 times 5 is 10, so that's 10x plus 10x. 2 times negative 6 in the calculator should give you negative 12 equals. And then I'm just going to write what's on this side because I'm not going to do anything with this side yet. So we did the distribution first. Now, I see over here we have 3 terms, and this one is attached to an x, and this one is attached to an x. Those are like terms. These are like terms. So we're going to deal with those. We're going to put those together. So we have a 10x and a negative 4x. You can either do negative 4 plus 10, or you could do 10 minus 4, however you want to look at that. In your calculator, you should, so if I did 10 minus 4, you should get 6 and keep that x, so it's 10x minus a 4x will give us a 6x. Minus our 12, we can't do anything there, and then I'm just going to keep writing the rest of our equation over here. So remember, we want the x's on one side and the constants on the other. We're solving for x. So then I have to look. Which way do I want? I can go either way, but I see over here a negative 3x. So I think I might want to just deal with this 3x and bring it over here and keep my x's over here. So if this is a negative 3x, the opposite of that is adding 3x. So a negative 3x plus a positive 3x is going to cancel that out. But what I do over here, I have to do over here. So I have to do plus 3x over here. So, and I line it up right under where it needs to go. I don't want to put my 3x over here because I'm not putting that with the 12. That doesn't have an x to it. So if I do 6x plus 3x, 6, 7, 8, 9, you get 9x minus the 12. I still have that. I still have my equals. I no longer have this 3x. I just have a negative 39. Okay, so now I got to move this constant, this 12, this negative 12 to the other side so that I have my x's on one side and my numbers on the other. So this is a negative 12. So the opposite of that would be adding 12. If I add 12 over here, I have to add 12 over here. A negative 12 plus a positive 12, again, we're going to cancel that out. You're left with 9x equals a negative 39 plus 12, and I am not going to, make sure you guys use your calculators. Negative 39 plus a positive 12 gives me a negative 27. Now I have a 9x equals 27. I keep hoping at some point, when you get to this point, you should recognize exactly what you need to do next. This is multiplication. So if I divide by 9, if I divide 9 by 9, the 9s are going to cancel out. I'm going to be left with x equals negative, oops, I'm sorry, and then I have to divide this side by 9. I almost messed up. Divide this side by 9, divide this side by positive 9. I'm going to get rid of that. All right, so I'm left with x equals negative 27 divided by 9, negative 3. I'm not going to try to guess. negative 3. So my x equals negative 3.